Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into an electric SUV that's set to revolutionize the luxury of market, the Lucid Gravity. Combining futuristic design, unparalleled performance, and groundbreaking technology, the Gravity is all about pushing boundaries. Let's explore what makes the Lucid Gravity a game-changer in the Indian EV market. Body, exterior design. The Lucid Gravity boasts a futuristic and aerodynamic design that's both elegant and imposing. The front fascia features a sleek LED light bar extending across the width, combined with a minimalistic grille that gives it a clean and modern look. Its low slung stance, long wheelbase, and flowing lines highlight its aerodynamic efficiency and bold SUV character. The panoramic glass roof, seamlessly integrated into the body, offers an open and spacious feel. The Gravity rides on striking 21-inch aero-optimized alloy wheels, which not only look stunning, but also enhance efficiency. At the rear, full-width LED tail lights and a sculpted tailgate add to its futuristic appeal. With its innovative design and aerodynamic profile, the Lucid Gravity is truly a visual masterpiece. Safety and build quality. The Lucid Gravity prioritizes safety with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. ADAS. Key features include adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, 360-degree camera system for easier parking and maneuvering. The Gravity's aluminum-intensive body structure ensures maximum crash protection while keeping the vehicle lightweight. Multiple airbags, blind spot monostrength safety cage provide peace of mind for passengers. With its state-of-the-art safety features, the Lucid Gravity offers unparalleled protection. Price and availability. The Lucid Gravity is expected to enter the Indian market in late 2025, offering premium trims to cater to luxury buyers. The base variant is likely to start at 1.2 crore, ex-showroom, offering luxury and performance features. The top-end trim, with all advanced options, could go up to 1.8 crore, making it a direct competitor to high-end EVs like the Tesla Model X and Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. With its premium pricing, the Gravity targets discerning buyers seeking exclusivity and innovation. Outro. So, what do you think of the Lucid Gravity? With its futuristic design, incredible performance, luxurious interiors, and advanced technology, it's an electric SUV that truly redefines the segment. Whether you're looking for style, sustainability, or sheer power, the Gravity delivers it all. Let us know in the comments if the Lucid Gravity is your dream EV. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.